JSS2 class, and welcome to online learning. My name is Osaya Onyekachi, your math teacher. Like you have seen on the board, what we have today is linear inequality. What is linear? Linear is straight. So in mathematics, linear expression is when the power of the variables are less than 2. That's they are equal to 1. So linear inequality is an expression that has power of 1 as its variables, or that its variable has power of 1 when you are comparing two things that are not equal. Inequality means not equal. So it's an expression with variables less than 2 or equal to 1 when you are comparing two things that are not equal. We have signs for inequality, signs like less than, or not less than equal to. We have greater than, not greater than or equal to. These are the major signs we'll be using in inequality. So if you have copied it, let me clean it so that we can do some examples and solve some examples on this topic. Before the example, you believe me that there is no way you will say that 3 is less than or is equal to 5. 3 is not equal to 5. So the best way to write this now is that 3 is not equal to 5, or 3 is less than 5, or 5 is greater than 3. These are all inequalities, and they are best written like this. 3 is not equal to 5, you are correct. 3 is less than 5, you are correct. 5 is greater than 3, you are also correct. So any way you choose to write it in this order is correct. So for us to solve examples 1 or 2 or more, let's go to the exercises. So if we go to exercise, from your textbook, exercise 14.1. Exercise 14.1. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6. The question said, state which of the following statements is true or false. You have from that place you have you have 16 is greater than 9. You also have 20 is greater than minus 200. Lastly, let us not take our time. 8 is less than 5. from these three now, they said we should state which one is true and false. When you come down, 16 is greater than 9. Is 16 bigger than 9 or 9 is bigger than 16? If 16 is bigger than 9, that means this statement is correct. But if 16 is smaller than 9, that means this statement is wrong. So, from what we know, I and you, from what we know that 16 is bigger than 9. So, this is true. We continue. 20 is greater than minus 200. Of course, it's 200. Ordinarily, 200 is bigger than 20. But because of the minus sign, this 20 is what you have, what you own. But this minus 200 is what you don't have. So you cannot compare what you don't have with what you have. 20 is greater than minus 200. What you have is greater than what you don't have. So that is also true. In the last one, you have 8 is less than 5. Is 8 bigger than 5 or smaller than 5? If 8 is bigger than 5, that means this statement is wrong, because the sign here is indicating less than. That is smaller. But if 8 is bigger than 5, you know that this statement is false. If 8 is bigger than 5, means that this statement is false, because there is no way 8 will be less than 5. So that's the way to go about it. You can draw your number line. You can do this also in number line. But for the meantime, let us stop here and go to more examples, maybe also using number line to solve it. See you in the next video. Don't go anywhere.